In this video, I'll show you how to summarize documents on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go into Settings and find TECNO AI, and then under TECNO AI select Document Assistant, then tap on Try. So now you'll be required to upload the document that you want to summarize, so simply tap on this plus icon at the bottom and select Document. So select the document that you want to summarize, and once it's selected, it's going to load it. Now all you need to do is tap on Summarize, and the phone or the AI is going to create a summary of that particular document in point form and summarize it for you basically. That's basically how to summarize documents on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Hope this was helpful. Let me know what you thought about it, or if it worked for your document, down in the comment section below. Until the next one, take care and God bless.